I see trees of green, red roses too.
So ibig sabihin, ipinapakita nitong dalawang ito that they really decided and chose na sila'y maging mag-asawa. And now I'm telling you na itong decision na ito, na itong pinili nyong ito, ay dapat ninyong panindigan hanggang sa huli ng inyong buhay.
Babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world.
Yung pagpasok sa buhay may asawa hindi nakasalalay sa mga magulang, kundi ito ay desisyon ng isang lalaki, desisyon ng isang babae na harapin nila ang buhay may asawa.
It's you and you least expect it to. Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue.
Oh, pabebe.
I thought it was only made for movies.
Chame! Flex niya,
Then
flex.
you came along and you
Flex,
changed
flex.
everything. Just one look into your eyes.
Mahal, hindi man ako perfectong tao. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita at para sa iyo.
I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always. From this day on, I will be everything that you need. I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me. This love we got is
Mahal ko,
deeper than
sobrang
oceans.
ako nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa pagsagot niya sa aking panalangin. At ito yung pagtayo ko sa altar na kasama ko. At nangangakong mamahalin, aalagaan at iintindihin, susuportahan at isasabay ka sa paglilingkod at paglago sa ating Ama.
Always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
Jo Marie and Carrie, I know that before this day come, you were worried and unsure because during the time that you were preparing for this celebration, you were far from this place. You are out of the country working there. But thank God, because today we are here and you are about to receive this sacrament of marriage.
Underneath the moonlit sky, I felt my heart come alive.
Alam kong hindi madali ang ating haharapin sa panibagong kabanata ng ating buhay. Salamat sa 9 na taon at ngayon ay magiging panghabang buhay.
Days, all my nights, every breath, all my life, I'm giving you all I have to give. No matter where the wind may
Maraming pagsubok pero pinapangako ko na kasama mo ako nandito, maghahanap ng solusyon, magtitiwala at mananalig.
I can't imagine anything.
Pinagdasal na kita at nakita na kita na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay.
All my days, all my nights,
you chose each one to live as a married couple. Believe in that decision na kayo ay para sa isa't isa. Kayo ay inilaan ng Diyos para sa isa't isa.
Hindi man ako yung perfectong tao, gagawin ko ang lahat. Maging masaya ka at kasama ka sa habang buhay.
Pinapangako ko na araw-araw kitang mamahalin sa hirap at ginhawa, sa kasiyahan at kalungkutan hanggang sa dulo ng ating buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Jo Marie, you may now kiss your wife.